What is going on, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to connect GoHighLevel forms to your Replit, Lovable, or bold.new accounts. So let's get started. This is going to be a short video, so let me quickly show you how I was able to create this GoHighLevel form to pop up, just like you could do it in GoHighLevel. So let me show you, but this actually site was built by Bold right in here. Sorry, this is GoHighLevel, so I'm going to show you. So this is Bolt, and you could see that this button, but it's not going to work. You could see there's an error, but it's not an error. So let me just show you. I did register a domain name, so again, let me quickly show you. Refresh, and now you're going to see the GoHighLevel pop up. So let me quickly submit. Now it tells me that you registered for the event. You see? So let's go back to GoHighLevel, and you can see that this is the form submissions. Refresh. And boom. That's me right there. So how I actually was able to do it, and again, I think this is gonna work. I didn't test it in Lovable or Replit, but I'm sure it's gonna work the same exact way how I was able to build it in Bold. So the way you do it, you create any form right in here, right? So just again, you could create any form. I could have connected any of these forms. Anyway, I'm not going to show you how to build a form. So you create a form. Obviously, this is the form that I used to create it. And the way you do it, you click on this button right in here, integrate. Okay, and you could actually have it anywhere the way it looks right in here. I have it as pop-up. Okay, you scroll down and you copy this embed code. And I did go back and forth a little bit with in Bold just to get it the way I wanted it to. Also, I didn't realize that it's really not going to work in the preview section. For some reason, it's not working. You gotta publish it to a domain name. I actually bought a quick domain name, and I was able to connect it. Again, this is the video, not how to connect domain names. So let me just go quickly. You basically prompted anyway, you're gonna prompt it connect to reserve your spot button right in here, and you just simply gonna paste this code, the one that you got, and voila, it's gonna work perfectly. Okay, you could connect pop-ups to anywhere. You could create different forms. You could create. So instead of, I figured if I'm not gonna mess around with N8N, that's the other way to get data into GoHighLevel. Okay, you could create a webhook, and you could just submit any kind of information on a form. Then obviously you're gonna need to map it out, and then you could go into your agent, and once you get the information to N8N, you could actually do almost anything. But this is, I believe, the easiest way to get the forms right into populated into CRM system of your GoHighLevel. I hope this helped. Okay, and I hope you're gonna start building instead of maybe doing bandages with N8N or make.com, and just to get information, you could simply bytecode the codes right in from GoHighLevel, right from GoHighLevel into Lovable, Bolt, or any of these Vibe. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to see me build anything else, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.